First video, we've just hooked up to a nice fish, not sure, Wellington Harbour.
See what it is.
Kahawai, not sure. Little kahawai. Show the video, thing to the video.
Give it to Gus's uncle.
Wait, someone? No, I'm keeping this shit. Wait, Ryder, go past Gus the net.
Yep.
I'm the net person. Are you still filming?
Yeah.
Like, film an actual fish and like. This is alright.
No.
I was literally just about to bring my bait.
Nice.
Oi, don't grab the handle, grab the bottom bit. No, don't grab the black bit because it slips.
Yes.
Alright,
On a kahawai? What is
you
that?
what? We've decided to put this guy back. Let's get a release. Yo. Let's litty. So, we've just pulled our baits up to check and look, we've just caught a gurnard. Let's release him.
Get a visual, get a visual.
Oh yeah,
No, there's no point in measuring that.
Bro, we're not keeping this.
No shit.
no, check it.
He's,
Wait, you what?
I was wondering why it was heavy.
Yeah, we thought it was a starfish.
Alright. Tiny
Steven.
little gurnard.
7th day.
Yup, he's gone.
He's a goner.
You. That's Rocco just had a mad take. Just fight this fish, fight this fish. You keep tension, boy. Damn. That it took that. Is he down there? He's just down here. This is gonna be a nice fish. Alright, I'm gonna have to go down and get the net, guys, but I'm gonna have to stop filming. Bring him out, bring him out, bring him out. Holy shit. That's a fat kahawai. Alright, we're getting off. Rocco's nice kahawai. Get a release, eh? Like, chuck him down so he, like, goes, like... Yo.